In this video, I will show how to set up and run LTXVideo on MacBook Pro. I will run it on ComfyUI and will show the complete setup. Open a terminal window and create the Conda environment. Press Y when prompted. The new Conda environment is created. Now activate the environment. We are in the new Conda environment. Now we will install PyTorch. All the below dependencies will be installed. Type Y to confirm. The PyTorch is successfully installed. We will set up ComfyUI next. Clone the ComfyUI repository from GitHub. You can copy the URL from the description. Go back to the terminal and clone the ComfyUI repository. Change directory to ComfyUI. You will see the below files there. Pip install the ComfyUI dependencies. The ComfyUI dependencies are installed. We will install the custom node for LTX now. Change directory to custom nodes. Clone the ComfyUI LTXVideo repository. The repository is cloned. We will install the dependencies now. Change directory to ComfyUI LTXVideo and pip install the requirements. We will install another custom node, ComfyUI Video Helper Suite. Go back to custom nodes directory and clone the repository from the GitHub. Once the cloning is complete, change directory to ComfyUI Video Helper Suite and install the dependencies. We have two modules under the custom node now, one for LTXVideo and the other for Video Helper Suite. Next, we will download the LTXVideo model file from Hugging Face. It is approximately 10 GB file and will take some time to get downloaded based on your internet speed. Once the model file is downloaded, paste it to the checkpoints directory under models. We will clone the text encoder model now. Change directory to the text encoder folder inside models directory. We will clone the PixArt text encoder model from Hugging Face. We have downloaded all the major packages now. Next, download the text to video workflow model from ComfyUI GitHub repository. Navigate to the ComfyUI directory and run the main.py file. You may encounter an error for FmpEg package. Install it using Brew or other package manager and try to rerun the main.py file. The ComfyUI application will show the total RAM, VRAM available on your machine, along with other details. Copy the URL for ComfyUI GUI and open it in a browser. In the UI, open the text to video workflow downloaded earlier. Run the workflow by clicking the Q button. Go back to the terminal to see the status of your prompt execution. It will take few minutes to generate the video. Congratulations, you have just generated your first LTX video on your MacBook Pro. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you face any issues.